skin prep routine to achieve a soft matte finish on an oily skin. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the skin prep routine for an oily skin to achieve that long lasting makeup from morning to night. No sweat, no sweat, no sweat at all. The first step is micellar water, the delete button for all the dirt, sweat, and questionable life choices from yesterday. Cleanses your face without stress, no soap opera needed. Now the second step is hydrating spray, because oily skin still needs water, babe. It's tasty, not desperate. Add lightweight hydration so your skin doesn't overproduce oil. The third step is moisturizer. Yes, even oily skin needs it. Don't skip or you'll shine like jollof oil by 12 noon. Locks in hydration and balances your skin so it chills. The first step is sweat block. Apply on your T-zone only. Think of it like a cement for your forehead and nose, blocking sweat and oil before they embarrass you. A control shine and sweat. Note, let it dry properly before moving on. And finally, primer, the bouncer of the skincare club. Standing at the door like oil and sweat, not on the list. It controls shine, smooths your skin, and keeps your makeup fresh all day. If this video has helped you in some kind of way, please like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to my channel. Join the Glam Babe, the Glam Squad. Yeah, I want to see you guys in my next video. Bye, and I love you so much.